kind of easy, right? Yeah. And then we'd come out, you know, and just kind of go.
Daily lives.
Yeah. So, but there was no question about how well, you know, you two perform, and you have for so many years. Josie, you've been my student since 2017, which some people think, oh, wow, that's such a long time. But I look at it, you know, everybody goes at their own pace, but the other part of that is you and your family have been with us, and we feel more like a family. And it's a testimony, I think, to us and Mr. Diedrich of the environment we have created here, that you feel comfortable and have spent that much time with us. And so I truly appreciate that, as well as Mr. Diedrich, as well as Linda, as well as Christine and other people before too. And Siri, you've done such a wonderful job. You've been here a short time, for 3 years roughly, and so since the beginning, you have really displayed your ethic, your work ethic, everything. So I now have the honor. I've kept these hidden away, so I am going to present both of you with your belts. Siri, I'm going to present you with your first-degree black belt. You can hold that. And Josie, I'm going to present you with your second-degree black belt. And what a privilege it is to be able to do that. And with the witnesses of Master I so appreciate him coming down. Master Hoos has been my instructor since, well, what, 3 years, roughly now. Unfortunately, my other instructor, who was in the cities where I started, left town. I don't know if it had anything to do with me, but so then I'm stuck, and I checked around, and I talked to ATA, and I asked Master Hoops, would you please take me? So I have no one else to go, and keep it. And Master Hoops and I are not new to our friendship. When my son Tim was and I started, we ran into Master Hoops and his mom all the time at our school, at tournaments and everything. So we had a long-standing relationship and friendship, and for me, there was no question I wanted to ask him to be my instructor. So that's where I go just about every Wednesday night. So now I'm going to do the next part of this. So I am going to read something to you, and you're going to remove those ribbons. So what I'm going to tell you to do, because we used to untie them and we had an issue one time, we're going to ask you to just slide it off. So I will say, take the red ribbon, and I ask you a question, and then you will take that off. So the first ribbon, red, represents honor. Honor is a title of deep respect and high regard, and is given to one that is thought highly of. If you promise to bring honor to your family, your instructors, and to yourself by living a clean and upright life, and to never disgrace their name, then you may untie the first ribbon. So you may slide the red ribbon off. And just lay it down there. So we untied it, but that didn't work so well, so that's why we went for this. That was actually my wife's idea. So the second ribbon represents fellowship. Fellowship is a bond between those who have common goals and care If you promise to be fair and willing to sacrifice for your fellow students and to come to their aid or rescue, and to never speak ill of another, then you may untie the second ribbon. So slide off the white ribbon. There we go. The third ribbon represents posterity. Posterity is when one gives back to all future and succeeding generations. If you promise to pass on your knowledge completely and to the best of your ability, to teach others to conduct themselves properly and train physically and mentally, then you may untie, slide off the third ribbon. Take these ribbons. And so if I could have Siri, if you would stand up, and Kelsey, you could stand up. So we're going to do Siri first. You can just stand right